Outcomes, 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 and more outcomes. What the heck are outcomes anyway? Outcomes are results that you choose to take from learning and apply to have something come out of that learning. Talking with a friend this morning, asking me a good question. Ginger, what are the outcomes of connectivity? I better be able to answer that. As a world-class connector and as a connecting educator, I need to be able to tell you what are the outcomes. So here they are. A few outcomes from being able to connect human to human include, number one, increased confidence. It is never about comfort, my friends. It is about confidence. The more you focus on the skills, the tools, the strategy, the tactics, those things of the how-to, the better you will be. It raises your confidence, and your confidence increases your competence. And by the way, in the background, don't tell anybody, but confidence also raises comfort. That's not the goal though. Confidence is the goal. Confidence is a skill. Anybody can learn it. Another outcome of connectivity and why it's useful in your life is that you actually can relax a little bit more. You don't think that you're going to go networking, because most people in most rooms, when I ask them, raise your hand if you love to network, almost no hands go up. Why is that? Because there's an ick around networking. There's an expectation. There's a card shove. There's the bad cocktails, the elbow rubbing, and the superficial talk. That's not what connectivity is at all. The outcome of connectivity over networking, for example, is that connectivity is about one person at a time. One connection at a time, going deep, finding out who your people are. Who are the people you're going to serve? Who are the people you're going to become friends with? Who are you going to make space in your life for? Because frankly, the outcome of life is death. And if you want to spend your life with the richest time and effort and energy and people, you want to look at who you're really connected with. Those are two really powerful outcomes, breakthroughs of connectivity. If you want more, let me know. Subscribe to our newsletter at gingerjohnson.com/subscribe if you're not there already. If you are, feel free to share this with somebody. And if you want to know more outcomes, let me know how I can help you. Speaking, coaching, and live events is how I help people learn how to connect on purpose with a service mindset, because when we can connect, we can change the world. Remember, it's always a great day to connect.